Hello, and welcome to Arizona Locksmith video about the most popular locksmith services found in the modern locksmith business. Residential locksmith. The jobs of the residential locksmith include house lockouts, door lock repair, key cutting, and home security audits. Next, automotive locksmith. To keep up with the demands of the evolving automotive marketplace, the automotive locksmith needs to keep their skills up to date and offer a variety of highly technical services. This includes transponder key programming, ECU reflashing, and lockout services. Commercial locksmith. Last but not least, the commercial locksmith goes beyond the services of a residential locksmith and has to offer technical services that meet the demands of the commercial marketplace. This includes biometric lock installation, key card locks, and access control systems. Well, this concludes our overview of the most common locksmith services. Did you like this video? Great, because we have more just like it on our Locksmith blog. Come by and watch all the videos that we have there right now. www.az-locksmith.com/blog.